Hello, so here I have a Panasonic TES824 and I'm going to show you how to hard reset this machine. So in case you have a Panasonic machine that is giving you issues, all kinds of issues, either you call and the other phone, receiving phone doesn't ring out or any other issue, the first thing we want to do is to remove the two screws, visible two screws at the edge here, and make sure your PABX system is turned off. Remove the cable. We're going to remove the cable, keep aside, although we'll still turn it on before we begin the reset process. Then we gently pry open this cover in front. Gently pry open this cover in front, and let's see. So here inside this PABX we have two buttons here. One is for reset, to reset the machine, and the other switch is to turn the machine to reset mode. So here I'm going to show you the button, although it might not be too clear because the button is hidden inside. But if you look at the top right corner of your PABX machine, you should be able to see the button. This is where it is located. When I turn on the PABX machine, you are going to see the location of the button and the switch. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the PABX machine so that you can see the light. You see this area where the light is, there is a switch and a button there. What you're going to do is to switch it from normal mode to reset mode. Then when you've done that, you will now go ahead and press the button for 5 seconds and release it. When you do that, the light is going to blink several times and stop. When that happens, then you go ahead and take the switch back to the normal position and then turn on your PABX machine. You can see the way it's blinking. It's going to blink that way for a couple of seconds, probably for like 2 to 3 seconds, after which the reset process will be done. Then you're going to go ahead and move the switch back to the normal position. So there are two positions for the switch. Number one is the normal position this way, and the other one is going to be the reset position. So look out, you see it written there boldly, normal and reset. Move the switch to the reset position, then press the switch, the reset switch. You see the reset switch here, you can see. If you look closely, there's a button inside. You press it and hold it for like 2 to 5 seconds. Release it, it's going to blink several times this way. After blinking several times this way, it will stop. After which you go ahead and take the switch back to the normal position and the issue is fixed. So I'm going to go ahead and close up this PABX machine because the problem has been solved. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.